Greetings and salutations, you lovely degenerates, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower, where it's for weird and forgotten drinks that are late night kids. I'm your host, Corey. So today I was digging through the Trader Vick's Bartender's Guide. You know, I've got the earlier version of this, and I picked up the newer version. It's got the revised edition, which is a little bit different, you know. But nevertheless, I was just looking at some of the old drinks in there, and there's one called a Preakness. I've never heard the term Preakness before, but I was like, let's looking at the ingredients. Well, okay, that's an interesting cocktail. I started looking at it and saying, oh, it's a Manhattan variant, except that as Benedictine. Never really got into the Benedictine type drinks yet. So, yeah, it's a good dip your toe into something new. So I was looking up what Preakness means, because I'm like, I didn't know if it, you know, some slang word that got us out of date or something. It's actually another horse race. There's a horse race that takes place like 2 weeks. Hey, kitty, takes place like 2 weeks after the Kentucky Derby. I mean, I don't keep up with horse racing, so I don't really know. The funny thing is, the definition for Preakness is a horse race for 3-year-olds, and in my mind, I'm just imagining a stadium full of drunk adults watching 3-year-olds run around with horses in circles. But nonetheless, maybe I can AI picture that. But yeah, what's funny is that this isn't even the official drink of the Preakness horse race. It's a black-eyed Susan, which I never heard either, so I may have to look into it, maybe try it sometime. Maybe I can do a little episode on horse race cocktails, throw a mint julep in there. But, you know, I digress. With all that being said, I'm not a bartender, do not take any of this as bartender advice, so let's make a cocktail. All right, most of you guys follow me. We haven't done a whole lot of stirred drinks, because for some reason a lot of these drinks are all shaken. But, you know, hey, we're making a Manhattan, so when in Rome, right? It was Manhattan in Rome? I don't know. There we go. All right. Let's try and make this cocktail, right? So, got 1.5 ounces of whiskey. It didn't say which kind of whiskey. It actually said use rye or bourbon or Canadian whiskey, so we're going with rye. I'm sure if you're a Manhattan purist, you might have your own special kind of whiskey you like to use. All right. 3/4 of an ounce of Sweet Vermouth. I guess that's 2 to 1. Although we're not doing 2 dash Angostura, it just says 1. Normally you do 2. It's, what is it? The Manhattan's area code of New York, so it's 2 to 1 to 2. But we're adding Benedictine. But only half a teaspoon, which I hadn't even tried this yet, so I'm curious. Yeah, it's in that like chartreuse style family, but God, it's way sweeter. Yeah, that's got a lot of complex flavors. All right, it just says half a teaspoon. So I'm just using my big bar spoon and just kind of put a little bit in there. I don't know if that's enough to make a difference or not, but we're going to give it a shot. And stir, baby, stir. I'm trying to get better at this whole stirring thing. I spoke too soon. All right. It looks like it's getting chilled enough. Yeah, twist strawberry and lemon. And that, my friends, is a Preakness cocktail. Let's just see. Yeah, it tastes like a Manhattan. I don't know if I put enough Benedictine in there. I said half a teaspoon. I didn't go exact measurements, so maybe a little under, but for the most part, it's still pretty tasty little drink. You know, if you like Manhattans, just throw a little Benedictine in there and see how it tastes to you. In the meantime, y'all know what to do, right? So, yeah, always forget to check. In the meantime, you guys know what to do. Cheers.